What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian with you tonight. I want to talk about different grills, and I have a favor to ask. If you guys have those new popular, I don't want to say like new, but it's kind of getting popular, Argentinian type of grill, Southern California, um, Uruguay, like South America grills, Gaucho type. I really want your opinion on this. So the reason lately I'm just getting every search I'm trying to search for grills. I have an idea, but I'll tell you later. Um, to convert my fire pit to like oven. Anyway, so this is my big green egg, which is almost 4 years old, in the perfect shape. I don't think so. I plan to cook as I'm cooking right now on this, but yes, I did a lot of different stuff, and it's multi-purposes, definitely. My personal opinion, it's not a smoker, or people maybe like that type of smoking, but it's not like my thinking about smoking for like cold smoking. Yes, this is like a just burning wood smoking. And I did the steak last night. Turns very nice. So you'll see pictures right now of the steak, the vent, position of both vents, and the temperature. So it cooked very well. My question is, do I really need that gaucho type of grill? I'm very fine with this. Also, I have very nice made in USA um, gas grill. It's almost 8 or 9 years old. Yeah, 8 years old. I changed the burner on this, and it's working good. So my point is, if I need to cook like steak right now, the rain is coming, and I need about half an hour to get that guy rolling, you know. But with the gas grill, 5 minutes, okay, 8 minutes, and I'm good to go. That's the thing. Me personally, I'm not like the smoke a lot effect. Sometimes I'm putting wooden chips wet in the foil with a couple of holes. I did videos, you probably can find them. Anyway, theoretically I can burn even not really much, but controllable, burn some wood, small pieces of wood, make make a charcoal from this, and use it. But again, it depends. So really advantages. If you can write your thoughts, I will really appreciate it. I bought this immediately, almost when I figure out I cannot control. Lately I figure out, but if you need, just in case, extra charcoal to put, that's your perfect grilling for this. And that guy needs to be clean also periodically. This is second time I just throw it inside, it turns red, you know, and I put some oil, and that's it. Looks like nice, because that thing before almost like stuck from smoke coming out, and other um, stuff from the burning. Anyway, it's cool. I really enjoy watching the videos about the Gaucho grills, but mostly I see sometimes it's like $2,500 unit, you know, and the guy have no idea what to do, just burning stuff. Yes, and they like stainless steel, and it's cool. So that's just my 10 cents about the stuff. Also, see, the storm is coming like right now. For that purpose, I probably need to make another covered area for that, you know, because right now means if the storm coming, you know, I'm totally protected from the storm, you know, it will be working fine. So anyway, thinking maybe to get that gaucho thing, but again, just a lot of questions. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting channel. Have a good one. Bye bye.